Well, there's Venus, beautiful bright tonight. And across the other side of the sky, I would say, is Jupiter just rising. Venus is about to set. A few other stars, planets. I don't live in a very dark area, so it's kind of hard for me to see anything, and there could be a bit of a cloud haze as well. But otherwise, there's no any movement you see in that. It's just me moving the camera by trying not to move it, of course. Oh, zippily. That's the house across the road with their Christmas lights up already. I'm not a Christmassy person, so I can do without the lights. Street light, honestly, it's a street light, and you see that little separate thing there, that's just the internal lens reflection of the street light, which is what a lot of people try to think is a UFO. Of course it's not. Not even close. And you know, supposed to be so much activity in the skies, and in actual fact there's bugger all. I mean, that's Jupiter. That little twinkly light there looks red to my eyes, and I'm thinking that on the camera it might look like there's more than one light, but there isn't. It's just one light, and I would say it's quite possibly Mars, and it's twinkling because of atmospheric disturbance, which is why other stars twinkle, because of atmospheric disturbance. In fact, I can just see Orion's belt there. You can see it. It looks like they're all flashing on and off. How strange is that? But it's Orion's belt, and they're only flashing because of atmospheric waves. They're like heat waves, even though it's pretty cold up there. The atmosphere, and not, there's something flying in the sky. Where is it? Where is it? What is it? It's just a plane. There it is. You can just see that white looking light moving. Oh, it's gone behind the house now. That was a plane going into the Adelaide airport. They always follow the same path. Oh well, today's the 3rd in Australia, and it's like after 10 PM on the 3rd, tomorrow being the 4th here. So let's see what happens, shall we? Nothing is my guess.